Hello everybody, this is George with Melnix Automotive. In this video, I'm working on a 2021 Honda HR-V. You might have a similar issue, and I'll show you what to do to how to fix this issue. So the battery was dead. We changed the battery, and then after starting the car, you hear the sound, and your radio starts loading, and it's gonna go through this screen. And it's going to be detecting steering switch. It's going to detect it, and it's going to turn red. It's not going to detect it. So what you need to do, you need to program your steering switch on your steering wheel, and I'll show you how to do it. You could bypass this screen, but then your car, every time your car starts, you're going to get this screen unless you do this procedure. It's very easy to do it. Like I said, I couldn't find it anywhere in online, and this is my third car. And my first car, I ended up, playing with it, and I figured it out, and I want to share it with you. This is gonna save you $160 because I called the dealer. They told me $160 for this procedure. All you have to do right here, you got to press 3 buttons, and you can press them one at a time. And as we're gonna press these buttons, they're going to turn green. Once all 3 buttons turn green, it will recognize your steering switch, and your radio will reset and go back to its normal operation. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to press the info button, hold it for a few seconds, and as you can see, as soon as I press that info button, it turned green. Next, you press the audio button, which is volume plus. You press it and hold it, and that turns green. And last is the HTF button. All right, and when you pull your HFT button, it will turn green and turn OK. So now when you restart your car, you could hit done, or hit just exit diag, and it will restart your radio just like this, and it's up and working. So if I turn off the car and restart the car now, there's no more of that noise, that the beep 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 when in the beginning when I started the car. And you just hit OK, and your radio up and working. So that's it for this video. This was George with Melnix Automotive. That's how you program your steering switch controls on a 2020, 2021 HR-V. Might work on older years, not sure. But you'd only have to do it one time. Usually this has to be done after replacing the battery. Not every time though, or if the battery sits dead for a long time. You just have to initialize the buttons again. Once again, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnix Automotive.